Hey guys, Mega GMs, welcome to Inside NFTs. Well, a slight cooling off of the NFT market just over the weekend, but come Monday morning, you can see traders right back at it. And we saw some profitable mints out there for NFT traders, an indicator that a much more tradable market is maybe on the way. Now, we're very light on news today, so we're going to stick right to market topics. And so let's dive right in, starting with the Forkast 500 NFT index. And yeah, yet again, we're starting the day green, up 1%, and a quick check in for the month of November, now up 13.69%. And it's pretty wild, but we're just 4% away from the increase we saw in January. Again, that's a type of value increase that we would think is untouchable, but here we are witnessing a real recovery here in the NFT market. Now, global NFT sales yesterday, 27.2 mil. That was actually up from Saturday, also something we don't see often, right? An increase in NFT sales on a Sunday, but still pretty far off from Friday's 37 million. We should see this ramp up throughout the week. Look again at unique buyers and total transactions, though, basically stagnant, if not down. Again, though, typical weekend trend. What isn't typical, though, is the trade profits. Sellers are winning trades now for the first time in well over a month. Trade profits up over 258,000 yesterday. That's a trend we really hope to see continue too. And I'm going to show you in just a moment here why traders are on the winning end of these trades lately. Really, though, the story of the past 24 hours is that the Bitcoin ecosystem has yet again flipped Ethereum. And yes, that's being driven by BRC20s. And I'll remind you, those are bundles of BRC20s that are backed by an NFT. The NFT is then traded. And here you see on CryptoSlam, the top 10 NFT collections are just dominated by those BRC20s. In fact, really only 2 or 3 non-BRC20 collections. And by the way, this Uniswap position, well, that is ERC20s, but that's not the ERC20 being swapped. We're actually going to blow this ranking away. That Uniswap position is just somebody using stablecoin to buy this NFT, basically like staking it and getting an NFT in return, but that's not the NFT being traded, so that doesn't belong here on the rankings. We'll scroll down so you can see how the more traditional collections are stacking up this morning. Again, that sales volume down. Sofa Maker I have highlighted for a specific reason, and again, we're coming back to that. I just got to show you the blockchain rankings here, and again, Bitcoin, 17.1 mil, smashing Ethereum's 11 mil. Then you see Solana, Mythos Chain, and Polygon rounding out the top 5 there. Now, earlier I mentioned some indicators showing a healthier trading market, and by that I mean we're seeing new mints that are profitable for traders. We haven't seen that in so many months here. Now all of a sudden they're popping up maybe almost daily. I'm going to show you 2 examples of this right now. First, we'll go with Anomoly AI. This actually minted back on the 8th, and if you look back on the 8th, you see $97 was the average sale price on that day, but a steady increase here. And here you see yesterday the average sales price over $200. That's around 0.1 ETH. So there's an example of the profits people are finding right now. And hey, this Sofa Maker collection, another great example of a cheap mint that now is profitable for collectors. These are trading now for around a quarter ETH. Those collectors, those traders seeing some serious profits. And you know, when traders see profits, what do? Well, they go chase that same action. They go looking for another new mint, and they're gonna mint that next collection out. This type of action can really start to roll, especially with the Blur airdrop potentially coming as early as next week. Expect that to infuse millions of dollars into the hands of traders. And I have to show you the best example of traders seeing profits right now. It's the Muraqqa collection, which is gorgeous, by the way. Well, these NFTs minted at 0.5 ETH, and you can see the floor price yourself now, 5.75 ETH. Fam, if you minted one of those, you're looking at a $12,000 NFT. The good news is, it's not only us in NFTs that are noticing this change. Forbes actually put out an article on the 10th saying, hey, NFTs are retaining value finally. Just a few months ago, it was NFTs are completely worthless. Well, that story is starting to change, and you've been paying attention. You've felt that change over the past month especially. We're all just wondering how sustainable this is. How high can things really go? And that's the great unknown. Yeah, I guess the TLDR here, though, is things are looking pretty decent in NFTs. Let's just hope it continues. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, I hope your Monday's fantastic. Make sure to go to CryptoSlam.io, sign up for my newsletter, and also go to chat.cryptoslam.io to sign up for our Slam AI beta waitlist. Guys, this really is going to be a game changer for content creators, reporters, collectors, and traders. NFT data at your fingertips, just a question away. And tomorrow, I'll be back with another NFT market update. Will Bitcoin still be ahead of Ethereum, or is Ethereum going to regain its crown? We'll talk about all the latest happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see you.